Oh hey, it's me Olive, your drag diva, and welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know about you, but I know I am, and most queers are, keeping up with RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars 6. The finale is this Thursday. I'm so excited. Listen, it's been close. Like, this is the closest season it's been. Like, there's no front runner. Like, it's anybody's game. So I thought, why not, you know, pay tribute to the season and do a makeup tutorial inspired by one of the challenges. And, you know, why not throw a little game in there too? Because, you know, this All-Stars, there was a game within a game, and that was a gag, bitch. So, sit back, relax, and I'm gonna show you guys a little game and find out what the makeup look's gonna be. All right, I'm gonna go switch you guys to my phone so I can spin and we can see what look we're doing today. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, now I have you guys on my phone and we'll see what look we're doing. All right, I'm going to spin it. All right, looks like it hit. Oh my God. Oh, God, me. Am I that girl? Stay tuned. I have a little goth side to me, so hopefully she comes out today. I'm so excited. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more drag fun. All right, I'm gonna go change and really get in the mood for this video. I'm gonna go shave my face, do my base, and map out one of these eyes. I gotta figure out what I'm doing first. Like, this is different for me. Good luck to future me. Can I pull it off? Hopefully. I'll be right back so we can get this video started. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have my base all done, one eye complete. Now I'm gonna focus you guys in and we can get this look all started. As you can see, there's like, looks like I just got punched in the face. Very goth. I look like I just walked into like Hot Topic. It's super cute. So I'm gonna show you how to do this look right over here. It's very like smoky, very like grunge. Oh, it's so cute. It's very different for me, but let's show you how to do this. So to start off this look, I'm starting with the liner just to map it out. And this, we're going big, girl. The bigger the better. She's a size queen today. Starting on the outer third of the outer, like the wing part or whatever. And your girl has like a hooded eye, so it like creases like past my like actual eyes. I have to start it like above that crease. It's homophobic, honestly. All right, take it up, and then we are just going to bring it in and connect them. Don't worry, it can be super messy if you want, just as long as you got the general shape down. Cute. And this look, wow. And this look is actually inspired by the Oh My Goth challenge from this season of RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars 6. Girl, this season kind of surprised me. Like, with the cast, I was like, oh, okay, that's fun. These girls like all need a second chance. They probably have something to prove. And girl, they proved it. Like, oh, it's been like kind of a fun season, like not gonna lie. Like, I was thoroughly surprised. And then like girl, Silky, that one, oh, that girl surprised me. She surprised everyone, like let's be real. Now I'm taking a gray eyeshadow on a fluffy brush and I am just blending that in the crease.
Bindi.
I thought of that too. This season, I think I was the most excited to see TKB come back. I was a fan of her on her season. Just her season in general was like it. And you know, I was super excited to see her come back and show what she can do. And then she kind of, you know, had me worried a little bit when she showed up in, you know, those khakis, girl.
It was a mistake, almost worth forgiving.
I know. Like that would be good enough reason for me to like send her home. Like at any like point, you're like, you wore khakis, you know what you did. That's the reasoning. This girl is sickening, and I just can't forget that she wore those hideous fucking khakis on the runway on RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars. But, you know, then she gave us her brilliant Beyonce. And I was like, okay, we see you, girl. And right now I'm taking a white eyeshadow and I'm highlighting the brow bone. The Goth challenge, the Goth runway, I mean. That was during the Oh, the American Horror Story challenge. That was a fun one. I guess. It's a little chaotic.
I just also couldn't get over how much like Jessica Lange
Kylie looked, she did so well. And then that lip sync bitch.
Oh, between her and
doing Dirty. Speaking of Goth, like my version of Goth was like the Fighter music video by Christina Aguilera.
it's more grunge.
You know, that was more my gig. Well, actually, no, pull it up. Would it be more grunge? I feel like that one's more goth. In general, just the whole album was more grunge, but that video was more goth. Whatever I have to tell myself. Now I'm taking a denser brush and I am focusing that gray eyeshadow even deeper in the crease, closer to where that liner is. Now I'm taking a deep charcoal shade and I am putting that even deeper in the crease. We love it deeper in the creases. And now I'm taking that fluffy brush and I'm blending out that gray again. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I am placing that even lower, placing it where the liner is. Really make this nice and smoky. All right, and you can fill in that liner. I mean, unless you don't want to. I'm gonna fill mine in.
It'd be weird that I want to watch Cruella again.
It was a good movie.
Twice.
I enjoyed it.
I mean, it's almost as good as Twilight.
Well, okay, it's not saying much there. Is that your little goth moment, Twilight?
Twilight, yeah. It became Goth.
I only wore black hoodies.
The goth, you're like, hot topic, here I am.
And when I spoke to people, every other word was broken up and it was too much to talk.
We love that for your journey. I don't remember. I don't actually care about that movie. I remember like seeing like kids in like the goth style and stuff. It's like, oh, that's so fun. They get to wear nail polish. Now look at me. This isn't their nail polish, but you know, it's mine. Let's pretend that didn't happen. And now I'm blending out that black with the gray eyeshadow in a fluffy brush. Blacks are very difficult to blend out. Like, it's not the business. So take your time. The more time you spend blending, the better it will look. But also, like, who has all that time? Okay, not you. That would have been real bad. I was looking for like the white liquid liner and I grabbed the black one. That's in the same thing, just the bottoms are different. We love different bottoms. Yeah, but I would have like put black where the white is and I was like, well, that defeats the whole purpose. What if I explained that whole thing and then I still grabbed the wrong one? Could you imagine? Now I'm using a white liner to extend my inner corner. Next I'm using a white liner to open up my waterline. If I can find the bitch. No! Okay, now I have this eye all complete. I'm gonna go do my mascara and lashes off camera to save some time and I'll be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I finished the eyes and now we can start getting into this face a little more and like do the finishing touches so we can finish this look. First, I'm taking my contour and I'm reinforcing that, going in a little harsher and dropping my brush apparently. Taking that and I am placing that in the hollows of the face. Who do you think's winning All Stars this year? What team are you?
Jan.
Team Jan. How did everyone feel about the game within a game for All Stars this year? I thought it was like a cute episode. Last year they didn't really have a little comeback challenge, so it was nice for them to bring that back. And with just a tap of bronzer, barely doing any, I'm just placing that where I would. I'm not adding too much warmth because it's a goth look and we kind of want to look like near death. But I am using this to like contour around my like jaw and chin area just to soften that up. Because listen, I'm not trying to look like a man in this. What was your favorite challenge this episode? Oh, not this episode, this season. Mine, I think, was a halftime show. It was so good. Like the Beyonce, the Lady Gaga, the Steven Tyler. It was all good. Like, I don't think anybody did like bad. It's my opinion. Now I'm taking like a berry shade of blush and I'm placing that on the high like points of my cheeks, focusing it more on the cheekbone. I'm also placing that on the forehead a little bit. That's fun. There we go.
It was fun watching the silky lip sync all those times.
That was a fun episode too. Now I'm dipping back into my contour and reinforcing that. All right, now I'm dipping into a gray eyeshadow. Trust the process. It's a little tap of it. And I'm placing that where the contours are, just to create even more of a shadow. All right, now I'm adding my beauty marks. I'm doing them slightly different today. I think I'm only gonna add 2. We'll see. And I lied. I added a 3rd one. I'm adding a little bit of blush to the nose. Just a tad, don't get carried away. Should I add a little glitter to the eye? I mean, that's not very goth, but this is drag. We'll do a light glitter. Here we go. I'm using the Fenty highlighter for this. It doesn't add any color, but it adds some shine. All right, I'm gonna go do my finishing touches off camera to save some time, get my drag on, and I'll be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, y'all. This oh my god makeup tutorial is all finished. How do we feel about it? I think I look so cute. Like, oh my god. Like, I know it's supposed to be like goth or whatever. I'm giving you like Ben de la Creme, like goth kitty right now. But this like silver hair, the little like pigtail moment, so cute. I kind of live. The like smoky eye. I look like I'm so like dramatic right now. I look like depressed, which is what we're going for. So, look at my goth fantasy. I decided to pair the look with these like black little like earrings and stuff, which matches the dress. We live. Black is so slimming. Who doesn't love the color black? Ooh, my brows are like slightly arched higher than usual, so I look a little angrier, a little more moody, which is, you know, a look. And then I wanted to add some like sparkle to the eyes just to catch your attention. So I added a little bit more of the like silver like glitter to the eye, just to the center, just so like the center of my eyes like are your main focus, and it draws your attention there. And then I'm wearing some chokers and stuff because I'm living my 90s fantasy. This is so cute, I can't. But how fun was that like little game that like we created? So fun. And like, who's excited to see the finale of Drag Race tonight? I know I am. Who do you think's winning? Are you Team Kylie, Team Eureka, Team Ginger, or Team Raja? Sound off below. Now you wanna know who I am? Follow all my socials at the Olive Cox to find out what team I am on. Yeah, this is honestly like how I would have dressed in high school if I had the chance. I mean, if I wore wigs. Sure. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know every time I make a brand new upload. Also, make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more drag fun. I have lots of fun looks on Instagram if you want to take a look there. I have fun videos on TikTok. Take a look over there. I know I've been slacking over there a little bit. I'm gonna pick it up, don't you worry. So I guess that's it. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Oh, I have something in my eye. It's fine.